check engine light just popped up because I kind of gunned it to your house. Anybody get some clippers? I think I'm gonna buy some too. You know, I'm trying to teach him how to groom himself. You know, he be kind of smelling like a billy goat.
Is it because I got dreads?
Get up under your steak balls. Check engine light just popped up. I want to run the code, yeah. Right, that's what I said. So it just popped up this morning, and we was on our way to Irvine. I'm like, can we pass it by Juju's?
Okay, all right, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Let me get the scanner real quick.
It's always something, McLaren tripping. Come on, man. I waited 2 months for a license plate cover to get this, but they added this in carbon fiber to, you know, say, hey, we know we took forever, but here you go as a apology gift. yeah, what?
I need the key, brother.
Oh, okay.
My carbon fiber right here.
You can have it. I'm ready to get rid of all this. If it wasn't for this YouTube car, oh man, this is not it.
Annoying, huh? Sometimes.
Hell yeah! Like we got on the way to do something, boom, and I don't trust these cars now. So I'm like, when something pop up, I got to do it immediately.
Yeah.
It says intake air temperature sensor 1, sensor high bank 1.
I knew it was something with the air intake. But yeah, I knew it was going to be something with the, because I kind of gunned it to your house.
I was going to ask you. Yeah.
Is that this Honda?
Yeah. That's just the computer though.
Oh, bro, I was telling him, when I grew up, you probably get 2 oil changes at the most on a car that's gonna go 100,000 miles. Yep. You know what I'm saying? Yep. Like 13,000 miles. The McLaren only got 20. I'm like, man.
Nah, it's just saying too high a voltage going into that sensor. I don't think it's anything major.
Uh-huh.
You're straight though. You guys should be fine on the drive.
Yeah.
Even if it comes back, it's not nothing major. It's gonna like make you break down.
Right. Yeah. Like it would show transmission or engine or something.
Yeah, no, you're straight.
Yeah. Oh, it's in here? Oh, the new stuff in here? All right, cool. Oh, yeah. There it is, baby. That new money and muscle, man. Oh, he got the shirt, too. Damn. We in there, man. I know my subscribers and supporters go buy the heck out of this. Got the man. Who else doing it like that? The ensemble. Let me try this old hypey whitey. You know, I didn't want to show my body or my muscles, because, you know, I'm in the process of getting back swole, so I don't want to expose myself. You know what I mean? I don't want to show the yokes. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what this shirt like, boy. Ooh, that good thick material. You know, it's still wetter a little bit. You want to be kind of, you know, fly, but also warm. Oh, yeah. Oh, you fit perfect, baby. Look at that. Oh, man, with the matching hat. Ain't nobody doing ensembles like me, man. But, you know, my boy, my BFFFF, and, you know, he trying to copy my style. But, hey, woo-hoo! How I look, Hypey?
Clean. I like that. That looks dope. Ooh, that looks good. Ooh, with the hat. Ooh.
Y'all better go to hypelylife.com, use code YT, and prove all my subscribers fans. Y'all already know. We not a bot, man. And we got that not a bot shirt. You know what I mean? Hypelylife.com, use code YT, get a percentage off. Got some other cool stuff. Don't be jealous shirt. And man, go purchase yours today, man. Love y'all. Let's go viral. Hypey Whitey, the cause of all the chaos y'all see me do on the internet. After what? 2020. If y'all see me do anything stupid, it was Hypey Whitey in my ear. Golly, let's get a viral video.
Here's a knife.
Exactly. Go beat the old guy up. Look like he from 1970 Parliament.
So why are you taking me down here, man?
Oh, Hypey Whitey about to get some clippers. I think I'm gonna buy some too. I'm just, you know, I'm trying to teach him how to groom himself so he don't be smelling like a billy goat. You know, he ride with me sometimes, like he doing today. So I just want to, you know, he be kind of smelling like a billy goat.
Is it because I got dreads?
Huh?
Is it because I got dreads?
It might be, you know what I mean? The
Oh,
call.
you judging me.
They say a man with dreads don't smell right. So we gonna go in here and get some clippers, man. Ooh, a big one. I got a big one like that too.
Oh wow. Let me get one of these little ones. This one right here.
Oh yeah, that dude. Damn, right there, bro.
What do you mean?
It just be in your hand like, and they think you hit them, and you just slit their
Leaking. Yeah.
I hate to talk about, but it's, you know, part of my life and the past history. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's what made me today, unfortunately. But I always in jail, black people scared of nothing. Just like on the streets, really. It's only a select few. They shooters. They don't know how to do nothing but shoot a gun.
Oh, okay.
So they scared of hand-to-hand combat.
Yeah.
So I made it a point to have them knives. Everything they say everybody is scared of,
Yeah.
I do the opposite. Everything everybody say they do, like,
Right.
and
Yeah.
I do the opposite.
Yeah, right.
If it don't make me strong or smarter, if they scared of knives, I'm not. So I had them, bro. You know what I mean? I was in charge of dispersing them, and there was black guys in my, you know, organization was scared to carry them. You know what I mean? I carried it at all costs because I didn't trust nobody. So here we is at night. Ooh, look at that little pretty one. Little pretty. I will split you from the rooty to the tootie. I stabbed my brother. Unfortunately, my brother committed suicide. I stabbed him on 4th of July in his back.
Oh man.
He was trying to take my lighter. He was trying to bully me. So we was tussling.
He's super violent.
I whipped it out. I regretted it all my life.
Right.
When he died, I was looking at him in the casket. I was like, damn, I stabbed my brother.
That's
you know
crazy.
what I mean? But it wasn't, he only needed a few stitches. He respected me to the most after that.
Yeah.
Oh, like he would call me when he had problems after that. Yeah, that was very, and so my mother was gonna beat me, right? So my uncle that died in the car accident,
Yeah.
he like, don't touch him. That's what that get for trying to bully him. I got away with it, a free one. But I like them two-sided. So I slit you from the rooty to the tootie. Had those guts leaking all. You ever seen a man guts just out on the ground? So we need some clippers that's sharp for him to shave, and I might get a pair too.
Okay, so do you want to get like trimmers or do you want to get like a full head clipper?
trim.
Okay. Yeah. Those are really nice.
But you said last time the wireless ones wasn't that great, right?
Well, that doesn't have as much power as the originals.
Right.
All right, so to me, these are still the best clippers out
I
there.
had these. Yeah. I have about 3 pair of these.
Yeah.
So what about
And then people really like.
this is what I shave with, like these, but they not as what? Where they at? They like those, but
It's a square one, right?
yeah.
Yeah, they don't make it no more, man.
Oh, that's when you told me.
Discontinued,
Yeah.
People really like these out the box. Out the box, these are great. And the cordless one compared to that is very similar.
Oh,
where the cordless one from Andy's compared to the original one isn't as good. But
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
mhm.
Yeah, I like cordless. I got a few pair of cordless. Oh yeah, they sound good too. You can adjust those.
You could adjust them, but out of the box they're pretty close already. But I could get them a little bit closer for you. Yeah.
How do you tell?
You look at them and see the teeth. If this one is up to the teeth.
Yeah, and then the other way you could tell too is just run your nail on it, and then there's like a little bit of, you can feel the other blade on there. Then you know you could close them up a bit more. Yeah, you could feel this blade protruding out right here.
Look at it.
No, but
Oh yeah,
You
yeah.
got
You
it.
can see if they level.
Yeah.
Think you can adjust these today?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah, it'll take us like only like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think this is the best route to go. Light.
Yeah.
You just get up under your steak balls and your butt hairs.
Are you
know what I'm saying?
talking about me or?
Yeah, you and everybody else.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to teach you how to be a man.
Okay.
You know, your father didn't teach you this, huh?
Oh no, not that.
Exactly. See, I
Just
thought
just the one, or we're gonna get 2.
He need a pair too.
All right.
Yep.
Cool.
If you don't want to dirty your floor, you could put newspaper or something like that.
Okay.
But I don't give a I just wipe my floor after. But I
Okay.
put a garbage can down, it get most of it, then I have to wipe the floor.
Okay.
But if you put newspaper, that's Manscaped. That's a good thing. They put a newspaper in. You can stand on that.
Okay.
No waxing, man?
So we did it. It break us out bad.
Yeah, real
I'm
bad.
talking terribly.
Gotcha.
Yeah, we both tried. I tried it twice. And I mean, it looked like you got a disease or something. It'd be
Yeah, it took
crazy.
2 months for my to heal on my chest.
Everybody
Oh, yeah.
wants this because it's California legal.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and the action on it is
Right.
just really nice.
Yeah, I ain't got time
see
for
that?
that. I'd like to straight line it.
Yeah, so
You ain't got nothing new like the one I got?
from Microtech, no.
Okay.
Just like the baby ones right now.
Yeah, I got that one too, but it's 2-edged.
Yeah.
That company.
I got more coming in next week.
Oh, yeah, it's light too.
A little bit easier to fire.
Yeah.
There's some people that
Yeah,
don't have that.
Right, yeah.
that-
I let some people see mine. They couldn't even pop it open.
Right, exactly.
This is nice. So the only problem I have with these knives, and I love them, sometimes you try to cut some or do something, it'll slip.
So, see, yours is a double-sided, right?
Uh-huh.
Yours is a stabbing knife.
Right.
It's not a functional knife.
Oh, okay.
Right? So,
Uh-huh.
so the edge on yours, since it's double-sided, the bevel on it's gonna be really tiny, and when you try to cut something open with it, it's not gonna
Right.
really work. It's more of a weapon. It's more of a stabbing.
Okay.
So remember we were talking about my dad passing away when he was young. So
Yeah.
the only thing I have left from him is his old Gillette razor and a keychain.
Damn.
Okay.
Wow.
And so
Yeah,
the
that-
Gillette razor is very similar to this, where it has the settings on there, and so it raises up the head up and down
Right.
depending on how tight you want it. You know.
Oh, this
Okay.
is new style. I never
Yeah.
saw this.
Well, it's very old. This is
Right.
really old style.
Oh.
This is just a newer version of it, right?
Right.
And so that's what I use. I use my old dad's Gillette razor, and I set it like at a number 4, and I shave with the grain, and then I'll bring it up closer, like to a number 2, and then shave against it so I can get really close.
Yeah.
And so these are awesome
Yeah.
for people who have sensitive skin, because you could,
don't get all the way close to it.
right? Yeah, you could make it as big or as short as you want,
Right,
you know?
yeah.
So that's pretty cool. I've been going through the whole sets lately, but the feather blades are great. I love those.
I love Derby. That's what I used to use.
And then yeah, derbies are great for barbers because it's a
Right.
one-use toss, right?
Uh-huh.
This I could go like 9 shaves.
Oh, is that
Yeah.
right? Mm-hmm.
That Washcloth right here, this one, we were talking about, Russia or whatever.
Yeah.
Is best shave I've ever gotten. It's only a one-use and toss.
Oh, okay.
So these are great.
What's up with the guys? We over here at Chop Stop. Getting a salad. Yesterday, Miles brought me Hyphy Whitey. You know his real name, Miles, so I switched in my mind like hella fast.
Super
So I
fast.
either say Hyphy Whitey, Hyphy, or Miles. You know what I mean? Sometimes, I ain't gonna tell y'all what else I call it, Wigger and and stuff. Yeah. I'm trying to be black. What they say? Hey, Hyphy, they know everything on the internet.
Oh.
You know what I mean? They know
Yeah.
everything
But-
except how to get some money. So I got a salmon salad here because yesterday, man, Miles, hey, I'm just thankful and grateful and blessed to have white counterparts as his best friend, baby mama. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because I learned a lot, man.
That's good.
In my old age. I'm not an old fool that's stuck in his ways. You
That's
know
good.
what I mean? That's why my kids gonna love me to death. They gonna be like, Dad, you so cool. You take us out in the track hawk with all the music. You got the Rolls Royce with 4 15s in it.
Hell yeah.
You cool, man.
Hell yeah.
You know what I mean? So yeah, we got the salmon little salad. This one is, what's this one called? What's this one called?
Salmon chop.
Yeah, salmon chop, baby. Ooh, yesterday I ate all of it. I ain't never had this much rabbit food in my life. Thank you, Lord, for this day. Thank you for blessing us. We ask that you continue blessing us. Watch over us in our vehicles. Because, today almost was ugly, Lord. But you protected us. And we ask that you watch over our health, wealth, finances, our friends, family. And just let us prosper. Let the powers that be not be the powers on us. Amen. How was that? That was a good prayer.
Yeah, man. No cap.
This one hit. I ate it yesterday, got energized for a little while, then it burnt off real fast.
Let me see this. Ooh, look at that. Ooh.
That look like more scoops than yesterday. You think they really put them scoops in there?
I don't know.
I need to start getting on the side.
Exactly.
Y'all gotta eat healthy, man. Hey, I never thought I'd be a salad eating motherfucker. But I am now, and they good. I don't hold no water retention when I eat like this. And I know that I'm doing my body justice. I know that I'm taking care of myself when I eat healthy. I'm gonna get a close up on these lips, so they wanna hear ASMR, man. Hey, don't watch that little black thing looking like almost big as my PP. Got to hit my head, man.
Click here to watch another awesome video from Cali Muscle. And if you support the channel, hit the subscribe button.